niggas who use me, betrayed me, snake me. Then I meet other niggas going through the same shit.
I'd rather blame you. They say your child's a reflection. Now that I'm older, I'm out of depression. I ain't never gave a fuck, you wasn't there for a present. See you driving down the street and you went the other direction. I'm thinking that my memory faded was a conception of a damaged young nigga forgetting the shit he's stressing. Could never pick up my line, got me picking up weapons. I'm thirsty for destruction, but hungry for a lesson. Like teaching you a pussy would treat his prince like a peasant. You had me routing their houses, searching for a connection with people who ain't want me. I'm often feeling neglected. The streets took my hand and mommy couldn't protect it. Had me thinking that night like, why ain't you use protection? My heart too poor, them in the pain you invested. You just a deadbeat, all your curses is blessings. Yo, now go to heaven.